Starting with Almighty name of Allah, who is most merciful and compassionate. Emirate in search of the welfare of the nation. The latest evolution in Afghanistan happened at a time when some big changes were taking place at the international level, and the heavy impact was and is felt on the whole world. The biggest disaster is the war between Russia and Ukraine, which is becoming more and more deadly and complicated. Both countries are among the largest exporters of grain and crude oil, because of which their impact on the international market is great. When the Islamic Emirate took charge of Afghanistan, there wasn't any safe commercial base to count on. Afghanistan is a landlocked country and has not maintained very good relations with its neighbors in the past 20 years. So the recent changes in high prices at the international level have increased the commercial pain of Afghanistan. Although Islamic Emirate hasn't been recognized officially by any country, but still as a responsible government, it has continuously worked with its neighbors in the whole world to fulfill its responsibility for the well-being of the suffering Afghan nation. And finally got success in the commercial field and signed a one-year contract of grain, oil, and other goods with Russia. According to the contract, Russia will provide 1 million tons of petrol, 1 million tons of diesel, 5 lakh tons of liquid gas, 2 million tons of wheat, and 5 lakh barrels of oil to Afghanistan annually. The contract is for 1 year. All the mentioned items will be imported here at a lower price than the international market price. It is expected that in the next few days, the process of transfer by land will also start. Although the imagination of the world was that Afghans will face a difficult situation, trade relations will be cut, inflation will occur, but despite so many sanctions, impossible things have been done with the joint efforts of the nation and the government. And it is expected that further progress will be made. Of course, the world should also understand the fact that sanctions and confiscation of Afghan assets are not a solution. All issues should be resolved through understanding. Thank you all.